We have our Ring Spotlight battery. We got these on Amazon for sale right now. Amazon has their Prime deals early. So this is our refurbished. Got to make sure you have everything in there. So we got mount, charger. Oh yeah. This little box. Our screw. Camera itself pretty well wrapped. The side noise. Pretty well wrapped. We've got bottom piece. Oh yeah. Not doing this the way that I want it to, but of course. Break it! Ah, there it is. There it is. There it is. Perfect. And then this is covering the camera.
Is this the unpeeling part?
This is unpeeling. Ooh.
That ASMR?
Looking good, just looking good. No scratches. Right, we'll leave this here for now. Put all this, all the accessories here.
Solar panels.
Handy dandy ring sticker, just so people know they're being
Get those promos.
They're being videotaped here. So we got 2 of them. Make sure that they all have the same thing. Once again. Oh look, this one is actually clipped on it. So now we know where this goes. Another. Chargers.
So 2 kits.
2 kits. Instructions are at the bottom. Our manuals. Tell you how to put this together, and we'll need this later.
Yeah, throw those away. We're done with that.
Put it in the box. Throw it to the side.
Just in case we get confused, then look at the instructions.
Same thing. Looks pretty good. All right, let's see if I can get this one right this time. Let's try it on this side. Maybe if I start from the side. Oh yeah, that was the right way to do it. And then it peels all the way on the back. Let's check out this camera, make sure it's all good. Looking good, looking good. It's the good stuff. Put that here for now. The solar panels came in a bundle. You can buy one on Amazon, or you can buy the 2 at a discounted rate. That's what we did. You have to buy the battery-powered Ring in order for it to be compatible with this. This is an off-brand. This is not from Ring, so we will see how this works. This is gonna... All right. Let's see. Again, box inside. We have a lot of recycling to do. All right. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Here we go again with the instructions. We don't need them.
There we go. Let it go on in the recycling bin.
All right. Everything looks like it comes nice and packaged. And then all of the accessories. Looks like we've got the connection ports here. The mount. Looks like it's adjustable. There, let's see. Yep, looks like you can adjust it. Nice. Woo, pop this one open. Pretty standard. All right. Get away from the trash. Now we've got 2 of them, and they do let you pick white or black. Same like with the ring, you can do white and black. My house is white, so hopefully this blends in. Same thing here. Instructions again. Once again, no instructions.
Right there it belongs.
In the trash. All right.
It's a plug. How hard can it be? Put it in the sun and it powers.
Yeah. Right? That's the theme. Oh, I forgot to take these out. Make sure we got 2 of everything. Woo! We have a winner. Four of those. Shocking. Did not need. What we are going to need is my phone. All right. All Ring products, you have to sign up for their, I would say their app, which is a monthly fee. Same fee no matter how many different items you have. They make it pretty simple. Yep. So we're gonna look for the QR code here. This is how we're gonna set up our device, and you just scan it into. You use your app. Go to device. Then we are going to set up a device. You're gonna look for the device on here. So let's see, doorbell, security camera is what that one is. And I'm ready to scan. Allow, and then you just scan it. Shows you the product, and it's gonna ask you my address. It'll ask you where you're gonna put it, and this is going to go in the back. So we'll put pool. Continue. Now it's telling you to remove the film. Straight. So now we're gonna remove it. Throw this in the pile. Remove the film. Make sure all the film is removed. Perfect. Follow the instructions. I have removed the film. Power to easy to power, and it does say, look, we're gonna do the solar power. Oh, it tells
So fully uncharge the battery.
Gonna continue. And now remove the battery from.
So remove the battery cover from your spotlight cam. So to remove the battery, you just twist it.
Twist it. It shows in the back. Little twist.
And pull out, and there's the battery. So they want you to charge it first?
This only has one battery. It's supposed to have two batteries?
Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's that for then?
Oh, okay. You could get a second battery.
Do we need to charge it if we're going to use a solar panel?
It says to charge it first.
Why does it always have to be a battery situation? Little button, push. Ooh, good thing. Gotta remove that stuff.
Then can you charge? Yeah, okay. So you just charge the battery first, and then plug it in. So they want you to fully charge it first. Yeah. So give it about 2 to 3 days, and then it'll be fully charged.
Oh, baloney.
Of course, they don't send them fully charged because it will mess up the battery.
My other ring was pretty much charged. Remove battery from your device. Continue. Set up. And you gotta put it back in. I guess it does only want to come with. Well, it's smart to buy another one because then you have to worry about.
Yeah, so then just put it back in. You put the cover back on. And the second slot, the extra slot is